Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for some beautiful drinking glasses that are not going to break? Then I want to introduce you to these beautiful glasses from KLIFA. Now, I am a busy wife and mom. There are pets in this house and life gets crazy around here. But I also like pretty things and I want to have guests over a lot and I want to serve my guests beautiful cups, not plastic kid cups. And that's why I love these glasses, because they look fancy enough for cocktails with my friends, but my kids can drop them and they won't break. They have withstood all of the abuse that I've put them through and they still look great. This set comes with 8 glasses, 4 small and 4 large, and they also come in different colors so you can find something that matches your dining set. I also want to mention that these are super easy to clean. I've had them in and out of the dishwasher several times. So if you're looking to fancy up your drinkware but still want the safety and durability of acrylic glasses, then you're going to love this set from KLIFA. And that's my point of view.